Engineering is one of the reasons why humanity continues to progress towards the future. Its product revolutionized the world and the way people live. That is why today, we are here to take a closer look at one of its many branches, civil engineering. Civil engineering is the designing and construction of public works such as dams, bridges, and other major infrastructure projects. It is one of the oldest engineering branches, dating back to when people first started living in permanent settlement and began to mold their environments to fill their requirements. The roads of the Roman Empire, the Great Wall of China, the cliff dwelling at Mesa Verde, and the Mayan ruins at Copan, Palenque, and Tikal are the oldest products of civil engineering. Great civil engineering projects requirements to be a civil engineer. Studying to become an engineer is no easy task, and being one is more difficult. A true understanding of physics, mathematics, geology, and hydrology is required to become today's civil engineers. The properties of a wide variety of building materials, such as concrete and structural steel, and the style and the capacity of construction machinery, must also be known to them. With this understanding, engineers can build structures that meet cost, protection, reliability, longevity, and energy efficiency requirements. Working knowledge of structural and mechanical engineering is also required for civil engineers. In almost every phase of a large construction project, these engineers will be involved. This can include site selection, writing procedure, and material requirements, reviewing subcontractor bids, ensuring compliance with building codes, and overseeing all phases of construction, from grading and earth moving to painting and finishing. Civil engineers are increasingly relying on computer-aided design or CAD systems. Computer competence is therefore important. In addition to speeding up the drafting process for civil engineering projects, CAD systems make it simple for construction teams to change designs and create working blueprints. The majority of civil engineering positions require at least an engineering bachelor's degree. As a skilled engineer, many employers, particularly those who provide engineering consulting services, often require state certification. For promotion to management, a master's degree is often required, and continuous education and training are required to keep up with developments in technology, facilities, computer hardware and software, building codes, and other government regulations. What can you expect in civil engineering? Nowadays, the salary is more often considered when choosing a career. So how does civil engineering perform career-wise and salary-wise? The salary range for a newly qualified civil engineer with a bachelor's degree as of July 2014 is $55,570 to $73,908, according to salary.com. The range is $74,007 to $108,640 for a mid-level engineer with a master's degree and 5 to 10 years of experience. And the range is $97,434 to $138,296 for a senior engineer with a master's degree or doctorate and over 15 years of experience. Many skilled advanced degree engineers are promoted to leadership positions or start their business where they can earn even more. According to BLS or Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of civil engineers is expected to rise 20% from now to 2022, faster than the average for all professions. As infrastructures continue to age, civil engineers will be needed to manage projects to rebuild bridges, repair roads, and upgrade levees and dams. The BLS said there should be many opportunities for eligible applicants, particularly those who have kept abreast of the latest technical and regulatory developments. It should give a job seeker an advantage over the competition to have good grades from high end. When it comes to actual working, civil engineers generally work indoor in offices. However, many time outdoors at construction sites so they can monitor operation or solve problems on site, says the BLS. All in all, civil engineering is essential to our society since it influences our community, environment, and even the lives of other creatures and their ecosystem. And if you are considering to take civil engineering, it is wise to invest in becoming one as it makes you an innovative person, whether in character or on the field. Thank you.